All right, so I've got it all secured for the night. I'm gonna leave it out. Got some weights on it to try to help compress it to make all that glue adhere and stay together. So that's where I'm at right now. When I'm done tomorrow, when I get back out here tomorrow, I'll go ahead and flip it over and try to do the vinyl and make it stick. Now again, this is me trying to repair, say 92. A 30-year-old headliner that's been butchered, wet from storms and everything else. So that's where we are. We'll see how it works out. Hopefully it works out good. If not, I'll have to order a new one.